Proverbs 8. Does not wisdom call, and understanding lift up her voice? On the top of the heights along the way between the paths, she has taken her stand. Beside the gates, leading to the city, at the entrances, she shouts, "O men, I call to you, and my voice is to the sons of men. You simple ones understand insight, and you fools, be of an understanding heart. Listen, for I speak noble words, and the opening of my lips is about straightness. For my mouth speaks truth, and wickedness is an abomination to my lips. All the words of my mouth are in righteousness, none of them twisted or crooked, all of them plain to him who understands, and straight to those who find knowledge. Accept my discipline and not silver, and knowledge rather than choice gold, for wisdom is better than rubies, and all delights are not comparable to her. I, wisdom, have dwelt with insight, and I find knowledge, foresight. The reverence of Yahweh is to hate evil. I have hated pride and arrogance, and the evil way, and the perverse mouth. Counsel is mine, and sound wisdom. I am understanding. Mightiness is mine. By my sovereigns reign, and rulers make righteous decrees. By me princes rule, and nobles, all the judges of the earth. I love those who love me, and those who earnestly seek me find me. Riches and esteem are with me, enduring wealth and righteousness. My fruit is better than gold and fine gold, and my increase than choice silver. I walk in the way of righteousness, in the midst of the paths of right ruling, to bestow substance on those who love me, and to fill their treasuries. Yahweh possessed me, the beginning of his way, as the first of his works of old. I was anointed ages ago, at the first, before the earth ever was. When there were no depths, I was brought forth. When there were no springs, heavy with water. Before mountains were sunk, before the hills, I was brought forth. Before he had made the earth and the fields, or the first dust of the world, when he prepared the Shamayim, I was there. When he decreed a vault on the face of the deep, when he established the clouds above, when he made the fountains of the deep strong, when he gave to the sea its limit, so that the waters would not transgress his command. When he decreed the foundations of the earth, then I was beside him, a skilled workman, a delight day by day, rejoicing before him all the time, rejoicing in the world, his earth. And my delights were with the sons of men. And now listen to me, you children. For Baruch are they who guard my ways. Listen to discipline and become wise, and do not refuse it. Baruch is the man who listens to me, watching daily at my gates, waiting at the post of my doors. For whoever finds me shall find life, and obtain favor from Yahweh. but he who sins against me injures himself. All who hate me love death. Proverbs 8.